a partner in India's journey towards inclusive development. NSE Foundation's efforts are concentrated in reaching health, dignity, and education to the furthest fringes of the spectrum. Today, NSE Foundation's interventions can be found across the length and breadth of the country. The interventions zero in on three foundational areas: primary education, elder care, and water, sanitation and hygiene. Every initiative is aligned with national social development goals. This works as a force multiplier, leveraging resources from government bodies. Every project is designed to reach the most vulnerable and make a sustainable impact. The focus is on marginalized communities, low per beneficiary cost, impact and scalability, pan-India projects, triple disadvantaged population, 3 to 5 year project timelines, and sustainability. NSE Foundation's interventions try to increase enrollment and improve the quality of education available to children in the 5 to 12 year age group, particularly amongst the first generation learners. The focus is on enhancing age and grade appropriate skills in reading and writing in vernacular and English, and in arithmetic. Locally recruited volunteers are specially trained to deliver focused lessons through remedial classes. Customized teaching materials are developed, creating vibrant learning experiences for the children. Building the capacity of government school teachers is also a key part of the project. Much of the work also happens as out-of-school programs, turning village houses, local clubs, and civic halls into lively classrooms. Poorer parents are motivated to send their children to school. The community is encouraged to get involved in the running of the school. Sustainable models are emerging. There is a tangible difference in the quality of education. The dropout rates are going down. Enrollment is going up. The children are learning to dream. Safe water and proper sanitation really hold the key to public health. NSE Foundation is at the forefront of the sanitation revolution that's transforming India by touching the lives of more than 3 lakh people across 6 states. The education projects are combined with the water and sanitation initiative for a comprehensive impact. In village schools, toilets are repaired and retrofitted, making them ventilated and clean, girl-child friendly and easy to use for little children. Proper water facilities are built. Kitchens are made clean and hygienic. Drinking water taps are separated from the washing stations. Sanitation is taught in and out of the classrooms, using innovative methods. Adolescent girls are trained in menstrual hygiene. In poorer villages, household toilets are built and repaired. Community toilets are also constructed, filling a key gap in the sanitation mosaic. Access to clean water is enhanced through building hand pumps. In drought-prone areas, reservoirs are desilted and water supply augmented. Volunteers work closely with the community to inculcate awareness. The local people are motivated and mobilized. In education or in sanitation, community ownership remains the key to sustainability. Today, NSE Foundation's initiatives are touching the lives of more than 3 lakh people across 7 states. By 2023, the number is projected to go up to 6 lakhs. More and more villages are achieving ODF status. The public health indicators are going up, as is the sense of dignity and empowerment amongst the poor. At the other end of the spectrum from the children is yet another critical demographic challenge: the graying of India. The main vehicle for inclusion and empowerment is the self-help groups of elderly people assisted by community volunteers. The objective is to put the elderly back on their feet, restoring their health, livelihood, and dignity. Health is the first stumbling block. The groups organize regular medical camps and work towards making government health and social security schemes accessible. Food security for destitute elderly is ensured by creating community food banks. Social inclusion is another vital part of the initiative. An effective financial preparedness is achieved with the group members making small contributions to create a savings pool. This money is available as a safety net for emergencies or as a credit for small businesses. With a support system in place, the elderly are back at being productive. Today, every self-help group is setting an example before the community and inspiring the next group to come up. The elderly have found not only a new lease of life, but also the respect and social empowerment they deserve. NSE Foundation work is aligned with India's flagship development programs like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and Swachh Bharat Mission, to name a few. Working together with the government and committed social organizations, every day brings us a step closer to national priorities as well as global sustainable development goals. In the final analysis, NSE Foundation's success is measured in smiles, in the confidence, dignity, and empowerment of the marginalized.